How to fix Microsoft Word product activation failed. Now, this is very easy. All I have to do first is just simply locate the main folder where you placed your Microsoft Office 16. Go into your file manager and then go into this PC and then just simply choose on your local disk. And from here, you can actually check via the program files 86 or from program files itself. Let's check out. From here, simply hit on M on your keyboard and then access Microsoft Office. Go to Office 16 and then here. Now, it's going to be depending on the version of the Microsoft Word that you have, but most of the time this will work. So this is not a folder from your end. This is just for an example. So what you will be doing is to open up, right click on the OSPPREARM file and then just simply choose and run as an administrator. You'll have to do it thrice so that those notifications will be deleted or will be removed while using the Microsoft Word. And that's how you fix Microsoft Word product activation failed.